Welcome to the latest Mango Report. Imagine a world where labor is infinite, but workers are obsolete. Where profits soar, but jobs disappear. Where companies scale without humans, and markets run on algorithms. This is not the lamentations of a prophet of doom. This is the possible future of capitalism in the age of artificial intelligence. Today we ask, will AI disrupt, or transform, or destroy or save capitalism? Capitalism, the most successful economic system man ever conceived, and the value of labor. This system has raised millions from poverty around the globe. For over 200 years, capitalism has been built on a simple engine. Labor creates value. Workers exchange time and effort for wages, and businesses convert labor into products, services, and ultimately profit. But AI changes the formula. Large language models write ad copy. Robots assemble goods. AI agents trade stocks, generate legal contracts, and optimize supply chains. When machines can do what workers once did faster, cheaper, and endlessly, what happens to the value of human labor? AI doesn't sleep. It doesn't strike. It doesn't unionize. For companies, this is a dream: limitless productivity, zero payroll. But for workers, it's a nightmare. As AI takes over white and blue-collar tasks alike, we're not just talking about job displacement. We're talking about a shrinking role for humans in the economy itself. In this model, profits can grow even as wages stagnate. Capital concentrates and labor gets sidelined. That's not just a technical change. It's a philosophical rupture. If work is no longer how we survive or contribute, what becomes of dignity, purpose, or fairness? Marx, need machine learning? Karl Marx predicted that capitalism would eventually implode under the weight of its contradictions. He envisioned machines replacing workers, value concentrating at the top, and the rest facing economic insecurity and instability. He just didn't anticipate ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, DeepSeek, and Grok. With AI, we're seeing a world where the means of production become the means of prediction. Where data is the new oil and human attention the new currency in the digital age. And unlike the industrial revolutions of the past, this one isn't creating new jobs at the same rate it's erasing them. So, the question isn't just economic. It's existential. Will capitalism adapt or fracture? Some believe capitalism will adapt like it always has. New roles will emerge: AI ethicists, prompt engineers, robot psychologists. New industries will be created. Others are skeptical. When productivity no longer depends on people, when wealth creation is decoupled from employment, the link between work and survival breaks. Universal Basic Income, UBI. Cooperative ownership of AI systems. A new social contract. These aren't fringe ideas anymore. They're possible answers to a system being rewritten in code. Here's the paradox. AI may be the ultimate capitalist tool designed for speed, profit, and scale. But it also reveals the limits of capitalism. It shows how fragile the labor-profit link truly is. It exposes inequalities long hidden in spreadsheets and supply chains. And it forces us to ask, what is value, if not human? In automating labor, we're not just optimizing work. We're redefining society. So, will AI upend capitalism? Maybe not with a bang, but with a reprogramming. Capitalism may evolve, splinter, or give way to something new. And in that transition, we have choices to make about who owns the machines, the data, and how deep should be the government's role. Who benefits from automation, and what kind of economy serves a future where intelligence is no longer only human? Because when labor is no longer necessary, What remains is the question of meaning. Drop a comment. Do you think AI will destroy, transform, or save capitalism?